Super Chris here. Jeez. It's Thursday, September 22nd, 2011. Yesterday, I don't know what happened. I don't know if K-Bear locked the bathroom door or it locked by itself. Well, anyway, the bathroom door locked and we couldn't get in. So I just been kind of going outside. So actually this morning, it's like, we tried everything. We tried, well, I tried the suggestion that this guy gave me at the Ace Hardware store to take a little small screwdriver, stick it in the lock, and didn't work. So the last resort, I took the sledgehammer that I bought, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I just sledgehammered the door and it opened. But of course now the damn thing won't close properly anymore now. Just like about maybe 2 or 3 years ago, the door somehow the bathroom, our bedroom door locked, couldn't get open. Last resort, I had to smash it open. Now it won't that won't close probably anymore. Anyways, I don't care. I despise locks. If it wasn't for criminals, maybe they wouldn't need locks. Despise criminals too. Yeah. I mean, I don't like to lock my door at night. I don't care. I don't do it. I don't lock my freaking car. My wife does. I hate it. I hate locked doors. I don't want to have to phone for a stupid key to unlock a door, okay? I just want to open the door and go right in, So I always leave my door unlocked. Okay, that's probably not something I should admit online. But I don't. But I don't like locks. I don't like them. Pure and simple. Just inconvenient. I hate inconveniences. Anyway, see you later. Love you too. See ya. Sorry. Hi, Super Chris here. It was kind of slow today at work. I guess someone had previously faced all the food on the shelf, so I had hardly anything to face, and you know, and you know, and had to keep busy, so I just went around, you know, stocking soda, and every once in a while I'm going back to face, if there's, customer came and bought something or took it off the shelf to buy. Oh, also today, for some reason the garage door in the back was like stuck, couldn't really go through it to take out the trash, so I had to go through the main entrance to actually take out the trash. And then some guy came and kind of fixed it, but not really. It's like you could go up and down, but it wouldn't stop if you put it up, so I had to watch, put it down manually. Yeah. Nothing really else. Kids are in bed. So rate, subscribe, comment, favorite, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.